the habitable planet. Earth is the habitable planet. One reason it is habitable is because the distance from the sun. First of all, Earth is just the right distance from the sun. If the Earth was too close to the sun, all living things would die from the extreme heat. If the Earth was too far away from the sun, all living things would die from freezing. Earth is also protected from the sun's solar radiation by its magnetic field. Earth also has an insulating atmosphere. Earth is kept warm by its insulation atmosphere. Insulation comes from heat-trapping greenhouse gases and other chemicals injected by volcanic eruptions. Chemical ingredients for life. Earth has all the essential chemicals needed for life. These chemicals include carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. Earth also has food and water that is needed for everyday life.